Hello, today I'm in Dacia Duster. In this video I'll show you how to reset service light. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster. As you can see, the service light is on in my car. Firstly, let's turn the car off. Now start the ignition. And using these two buttons, navigate to Service Info on Instrument Cluster. Currently my language on Instrument Cluster is Italian, so I need to find this menu. Now press and hold down button on steering wheel. Release it and press and hold it again. Now you can turn the car on and service light should disappear. Unfortunately mine didn't, because I've got some malfunction with the instrument cluster. But basically that's the process how to reset service info. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.